Good morning. It's October 29th at about 7:15 in the morning Central Time, and we're looking at the price of Bitcoin on Bitfinex using the charts over here on Bitcoinwisdom. Today I'm going to go over the difference between the charts here on Bitfinex and OKCoin and compare these charts for some basic technical analysis. My name is Doug. I'm the creator of digitalcurrencytraders.com, and I created the book Cryptocurrency Rags to Riches from 0 Bitcoin to 200K in 867 days. Our course reopens again in 2 weeks, and you can learn more about what we do there on the website. So let's get back into this chart. Looking at the 30-minute view, and I'm going to zoom out to the 1-hour view so that we can take a look at the difference between these two different charts. The 1-hour view on OKCoin, we can see that we have 3 lower highs and a very nice triangle formation. Over on Bitfinex, we can see that on October 13th we reached a high, the 21st we reached a new high, and then on the 27th we were higher than the first one but not as high as the second, which constitutes the formation of a head and shoulders formation in potential here. Should prices break down, that would confirm that it's a head and shoulders. Should prices break higher, then it confirms that it's a consolidation pattern and a flag on the bull run still. So the question is, which one is it, and how can we tell in advance? So I'm comparing this one as a potential head and shoulders top formation, and then we go back to the OKCoin, and it's quite different. We can review again on the 13th, then on the 21st it was not a higher high, and on the 27th it was not higher than the first one here. So this market is resisting the market going higher, where Bitfinex is looking a lot more bullish. When we zoom out to the 4-hour view in both of these, then it's clearer to see this triangle formation. And I also want to point out now the difference in the MACD indicator here, where we've got lower highs all the way along here, just as we had through this period of time. We had lower highs before the prices broke. If we go and look at Bitfinex, we see the same thing where we have higher highs but lower highs here. And this is a pretty important divergence that's happening before the market is determining which way this triangle is really going to go for us. Now, if I zoom out to the 12-hour bars in both of these markets, I want to look at the exponential moving average crossovers. They worked pretty good for an entry and an exit, and an entry and an exit, and an entry, and it's still saying to stay in, but should those cross over, that would be historically pretty important time for changing your direction. If we see the MACD indicator here, we can see that it went pretty bearish before the market dropped. This would have been a difficult moment right here for sure. Then bearish it went, then it went bullish before the market went up, as the this indicator does. It's a little bit before the market. And so we see again, before the market is going down, this is actually showing us a lot of red and a descending rate here. So looking at this basic top formation and this kind of indicator on both of these markets gives me the feeling that this is a real top formation. We're going to see some sort of correction from here at least. And everyone knows when we look at the 3-day chart in both of these, it's pretty crazy what prices have done since 2016. It is pretty exponential, and it wouldn't be surprising technically for prices to come all the way back down to this level. It would be shocking to most people in the market, but it wouldn't be technically for it to come back down to the 3,000 level in a downward trend before flattening out and going up on its next surge. So anyway, my name is Doug from digitalcurrencytraders.com. Thank you very much for watching this live presentation or watching the review afterwards. Cheers and good luck in all of your trading.